In the neighborhood of Make Believe, we use the trolley to get from place to place. It does the driving for us. On trolley rides, we get to visit with our neighbors and watch the world go by. There used to be trolleys all over America, in almost every city. But little by little, the car and bus took over, and the trolleys just couldn't keep up. Now we have superhighways crisscrossing our cities, and people zoom about, sometimes one at a time, in their cars. I miss the trolleys, and yet I like the freedom the car gives me when I drive. How about you? How do you feel about cars and highways? Would you like to go back to the days when everyone rode trolleys? Would that be easier? Friendlier? What do you think?